Welcome back, everybody. It's Big Al once again, coming to you almost live from Oklahoma. I've got a kick cylinder. It's just in my holder here, and this one here I got from Pickaholic, and it just has this tag here. It says no key, Pickaholic, and I'm XXX, so I don't know if that's what he calls the lock, XXX lock. But that's all the tag says, and there is no key. This thing right here was actually connected to the back of the lock. I took it off to do this, or took to the back of the kick cylinder. Anyways, something else that's kind of special too that I just figured out. As you can see, it's open. I actually went through about 5 or 6 different picks trying to open it, and I ended up opening it with this one here that I got from Pickaholic. He custom made this handle on there. I remember showing it off because I just love it. It's absolutely flawless. It's beautiful. I don't use it all the time because I'm kind of rough on picks and I really just don't want to destroy it, but it worked awesome on this lock, so that's what I'm going to try again. Pickaholic, thanks again, buddy. It's freaking awesome. Okay, let me go a little bit tighter here, I think. It might be good. Let's see. Gotta lock it back up. Alright. Give it a little stroke just to show it's locked up. Okay. Here we go. We good? Yeah, we're good. Okay. What I ended up having to do is, you can see this ledge right there. You gotta kind of, to stay on that ledge, you gotta kind of pick that way, so maybe that's why this pick works so good, because it's got a slender shaft on it. But either way, we're going to see if I can't do it again, because it was no walk in the park, I can promise you that much. Got a little click. I think that was 2, 3. Might have just overset 4. It's a real trip because you gotta pick it real crooked. All right, I got a. It's giving me counter right here. I want to say it's maybe pin 2 right here. Got it. Okay. Not getting nothing on 1. It's all the way to the floor. All right. Three, 4. Okay, I touched 5 and got a little bit more. Okay, I'm afraid I'm going to overset this thing again. Oh, there we go. Okay, I touched 6 and we got it. Fantastic. That's kind of how it went the first time. Alright, let me get backed out a little bit. Whoops. Wrong way. Okay. I just think it was kind of cool that out of the stack of picks that I tried to pick it with, none of them really worked, but the one that I got from the same person that sent me the damn kick cylinder, almost like he made the pick for the lock. Okay, pinning tray. We got, oh yeah, we got no key, so I do not want to lock. It is open. I do not want to lock this back up, so I am going to proceed with caution. Shoot. Uh-oh. Okay, we got it. Do not lock back up. Okay, here's the clip shot, but it shot over here. Okay. Yeah, I do not want to foobar this. Okay, see if I need a shim in there. I don't know. If I can get one in it. Oh boy. Okay, this thing's tight, man. Wow. Super tight. I mean, it won't go in anywhere. I can't even get it in and like slide it around. Alright, we are not going to use the shim on that. Oh boy, this is going to be a treat. Okay, pins over there. Oh geez, that's not going to be good. Oh man, I might be screwed here. Okay, that happens to fit right over that. I don't know if that's why they make them that way. That's a first for me, but that's beautiful. I'll take that. Okay, let's see what happens. Ready? I'm going to try to go fast. Oh no. Okay, I'm not sure what's crack-a-lacking. Try it again. Oh no. Come on, baby. Alright, we are screwed here. Got it. I just jammed it really hard and fast. Alright, jeez. That's going to be a treat getting it back together. Alright, let me lay these pins out here. Golly. That was a first for me. Oh, okay, yeah. We got some nice trickery up in here. Yeah, buddy. We got a two-piece. That may be how it went, like that. Okay. On the core, I've got no mods to the core. Okay. Got a little mark on the front, but now we got a big one. Okay. Bunch of tools over here. Alright, let's see. Oh man, a hollow one too. I hate hollow ones. Guess I could go from the back. Yeah, I'm going to go backwards on this one. Okay. We'll start with 6. Drunken spool. It's 2 pieces. Okay, so that's 6 and it goes that way. Alright. Spring. 5. Nice. What the heck is that? Seriously? The serrations in that are absolutely phenomenal. I hope it's picking that up good. I'll get a close-up on them again on the board, but I mean, they're like, that's insane. Very well done. Very cool. I like that. That's a first. Boy, I got a lot of firsts going on with this lock. Yeah, they look freaking great. It's just like I said, I'll get a close up on it. Damn it. That was 5, so this is 4. Jesus. Another nice reduced diameter type combobulation. Looks like a serrated, and that was 3. So we're on 2. 2 is a spool. And the last one, which is 1, just popped up, and it looks like a standard. Alright, very nice. And I'm sure there's nothing done to the core. I doubt it. No, I mean the Bible. Nothing done to the Bible either. Okay, put that on there. Bring the light down over this way. And go through these bad pins right here. I'm going to try to... That was from Pickaholic. I guess it's XXX, we can call that one. I'm going to try to hold this steady right here and go like this. Okay. Key pin, am I too close? Damn it. How does this go? That was the key pin. Oh, I see. This must be the other way. No, that is a key pin like that. That must have went, because there's a rounded part. Ah, come on. That had to go like that, because that's rounded over there. That's what I would guess. I'm going to have to look into that. Okay. Key pins. We got serrated in 1. Serrated in 2. 2-piece key pin in number 3. Number 4 looks... I don't know if those are serrations on there. Maybe real fine serrations. 5 is... looks like it might have 1 up here in the top, and that's a weird... It almost looks burnt, the color of it. And 6 is a serrated. Top pins, we got a standard in 1, a spool in number 2. We got a serrated right here in number 3. 4 is a serrated with reduced diameter, kind of like a what do they call it, a cake, a layered cake kind of thing. And 5, this is that really cool looking one. It's a T-pin over here, but these serrations are all the way up, and they're really fine, just super fine, really cool looking. And then 6 was a, I guess you call it a drunken spool. And all the springs are, I think these are all the same, and the 6th one is a little different. Okay, let me keep those pins there for a second so you can see them real good. Really check that out, it's awesome. I hope it's coming in real good. Pickaholic, thank you so much, buddy, and thanks again for that awesome pick that I used to open this lock. It's awesome. Alright, Big Al signing off.